Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss that if you are passing class 12th and you are confused that what path you have to choose. So I will explain all about both the parts so you become easy to understand what the path you want to choose. So in this video we discuss about NEET versus JEE, the ultimate decision guide, like if you want to become doctor or engineer. So let's understand the procedure. The first will be choosing your path like NEET or JEE. The most critical decision after class 10th will be this. So conducted when we talk about these exams, so these are conducted by NTA, like National Testing Agency, and the NEET full form will be, or the exam known as National Eligibility Entrance Exam, which is for medical students, and J is for engineering students. Students will be joint entrance exam. The objective of this will be finding the best fit based on your strength, so not on peer pressure. The next topic, the next slide will be subject mapping. What will you study? So the common subjects for both, like medical, non-medical, like engineering students, will be physics, chemistry are required for both. And if you choose J, focus on mathematics, like requires logical reasoning, calculus and high level problem solving. And when we talk about NEET, focuses on biology, require heavy memory and understanding complex system and theory. There is a note will be, if you love numbers, go for J, and if you love life, like you love the things or nature, then you go for NEET. Let's understand what is JEE. So the JEE is for BTech students, like engineering students, and the exam pattern will be, the question paper will be of 300 marks, and the total questions come in this will be 75. All attempts are compulsory, and this is like CBT, computer based test. So this is computerized, and subject wise breakdown, like physics, chemistry, maths are the subject which are asked in this. And we have section A, where MCQs 20 questions are there per subject, and section B, where numerical values are there, 5 questions per subject. The marking scheme will be, if the if your answer will be correct, the mark you get will be plus 4 marks, and if your answer will be incorrect, there is a negative marking of minus 1 mark, applies for both section A and section B. If you unattempt any question, no marks will be deducted from your exam. The next will be NEET exam pattern. So there is a total mark question paper will be 720, total marks will be 720, and total number of questions will be 200 questions are there. This is subject wise breakdown, like in physics you have 45 questions, of 180 marks, chemistry 45 questions of 180 marks, botany 25 questions 180 marks, and geology 45 questions 180 marks. The same marking scheme will be there, plus 4 for correct answer and minus 1 mark for negative marking. When we talk about exam patterns, so in NEET exam 20 plus lakh applicants are there, and they are for only for 1.5 lakh MBBS seats. Competition is extreme, every single mark is counts. And in JEE 12 to 14 lakh applicants are there, and while like J advanced is technically harder, there is more diverse branches and colleges like IITs, NITs, triple ITs and GFTIs for compared to medical seats. The key takeaway there is will be, NEET requires NEET perfect, near perfect score, because the cutoff is extremely high, but J allows for more rank variation due to difficulty of the paper. So this is there. Now let's talk about the how long the journey will be. So for engineering students, like if you are clearing JEE, then the journey will be of 4 year. You complete your BTech in 4 years, and then you can opt for job, like, or for further studies for further post graduation, MTech or MBA. The financial, there will be a financial independence starts at age of 22 after completion of BTech. But in medical, the journey will be of 5.5 years, like you have completed your MBBS in 5.5 years, and there is a specialization like MD, which is of 3 years, and residency like practices as well. So in this field, the professional stability usually start from the age of 28 to 30. Like if beyond MBBS or BTech, you also have a plan B like alternative career options. So if you take PCB like NEET path, you have B Pharma, nursing, forensic science, biotechnology, and physiotherapy. So you can choose these other things while preparing for them. And for PCM students, like the students which are choosing JEE path, you have data science, architecture like BArch, aviation, defense, NDA, research, BSc as well. The tip will be always have a plan B to reduce exam stress. The last slide of this video will be self-analysis checklist. These are the 5 questions you have to ask yourself. The first question will be, can I sit with a single physics numerical for 30 minutes? If you are, then you have to choose for J. And can I memorize 500 plus pages for NCRT biology word for word? If yes, then you have to choose NEET. Do I want a fast paced corporate life or a dedicated clinical life? So you can choose and ask yourself, and I'm choosing this because I want or because my friend are doing it. So you have to ask yourself this question as well. And the last question will be, how do I handle backlogs? Like both needed a strict recovery system. So if you want, you have to become consistent and maintain your focus. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.